Hello future food forest advocates. Welcome to the forefront of a groundbreaking movement that's reshaping the way we think about food production and sustainability. At Food Forest Design Solutions, we're driven by a powerful vision to provide a globally accessible, low-maintenance, high-yield permaculture food forest system that empowers individuals, families, and communities to establish their own self-sustaining food forests. Why join our affiliate program? Our affiliate program offers a unique opportunity to be part of a mission-driven initiative while earning commissions for spreading the word about our transformative food forest system. Here's why you should join. Addressing urgent needs. By promoting our system, you'll be helping to tackle pressing concerns like access to pesticide-free, nutritious food and combating food insecurity head-on. Your efforts will directly contribute to improving the lives of individuals and communities. Environmental regeneration. Our system promotes biodiversity, reduces the need for harmful chemicals, and fosters a healthier ecosystem. As an affiliate, you'll play a crucial role in spreading awareness about sustainable practices that benefit both people and the planet. Dispelling misconceptions. Help us break down barriers by demonstrating that home food production is practical, economical, and accessible to all. Through your advocacy, you'll empower others to embrace regenerative practices and create their own abundant food forests. Connecting with key partners. In addition to individuals like yourself, we're actively seeking connections with schools. Empower the next generation with hands-on learning opportunities and sustainable food sources. Nursing homes. Provide residents with access to fresh, nutritious produce and therapeutic gardening activities. Churches. Foster community engagement and promote stewardship of the land through shared food forest projects. Prisons. Offer inmates opportunities for rehabilitation and skill building through meaningful work in food forest cultivation. Real estate developers. Integrate food forests into residential and commercial developments for enhanced community appeal and environmental benefits. Commercial properties. Enhance corporate sustainability initiatives by incorporating food forests into corporate campuses and green spaces. City councils and mayors. Advocate for policies that support the establishment of food forests in public spaces and urban environments. Parks and recreation departments. Collaborate on projects to transform public parks and recreational areas into vibrant food-producing ecosystems. Join us today. Become a champion for sustainable food production and environmental regeneration. Thank you for believing in our mission and for your commitment to a brighter, greener future and food security for all. Your efforts will directly contribute to improving the lives of individuals and communities. To your abundance. Don't forget to like and share the video so that I know that you enjoyed it, as well as subscribe, if you haven't already done so that you do not miss out on any new content. Sign up at the link below this video. Grow food, not lawns.